because of the conflict in Portland between him. And so he tried to get back at him, thinking he was going to be able to kick Voss out and gain the seat. And he came in and he blatantly said, it is wrong. And where people are talking about Section 39 and Section 40 and Section 41 and Section 41AB and all of that, Abe says, the Constitution of, and I'm going to try to see if I can find that clip. The Constitution of Jamaica is not that of the Constitution of England. The laws of England is totally different from the laws of Jamaica. Hence, he should do the right thing.
Yeah.
Abe came on the show. Abe came in the evening at Nationwide at 5 and said it. I'm going to try to see if I can find it and forward it and let everybody get a listen of the clip. But I'm
Empress,
telling you, yes, Dad.
one of the lawsuits now that are being filed is Abe Dabdu. Abe is one of the lawyers. And one
Excuse
of the
me, George. Excuse me, George. What you say?
Yeah.
All
One
right,
of the
okay.
lawsuits that drop, I don't remember is which one. Because there are three of them, right? Abe is one of them.
He wrote
Abe Dabdu.
representing Michelle Charles.
Right.
Is okay. All right. Best person. Yeah, he came out and he said, he should do the right thing. Yep. And a lot of people Cliff keeps saying there are people in the party that does not. I think it was Nita, with a lawyer that lawyer's name.
Yeah, Nita.
Yeah,
Valerie Nita. Yeah. She came out and she said she doesn't agree with it. He should.
Do you know why? Do you know why Valerie is opposed to him?
Talk to me.
All right, there is.
I'm here for the education.
All right, not many persons know this. I won't call any name, but I got information from within.
Yeah.
Yes, from within. So when them think anybody have to go do any cyber crimes in order to get information, there are persons who don't like what is happening. That there was a time that one person within the party wanted to, a female that is, wanted to get their QC, right? You know what a QC is, right?
Yes.
Queen's Counsel, now
Queen's
King's
Counsel, now a King's
Right.
Counsel. Yeah.
And he told the female that it's inappropriate. They shouldn't do it. That's what he told her at the time.
He has a double barrier standard.
Right. There's one standard for him and another for everybody else.
For everybody else. But one of the things what we need to ventilate, Joshua, is how he got that visa that him saying get. Me want to know.
You believe him?
And I wrote on a wall. Oh, listen to me. Listen to me. Is that Shika?
Yes.
Shika?
Yeah.
I wrote in a post when it just came out, and I said, you being a child of a British citizen, you do not require a visa. He said, in a clip, he said, I got a visa to go to the States. I had a visa to go to England. And I'm like, why would you require a visa? Because you are the subject of a British citizen. It's an automatic right. How are you needing a visa to go to Canada, a visa to go to America? You do not. I'm a Canadian citizen. And I can travel just about everywhere with my Canadian
passport. Yeah.
Right? With my Canadian passport. So I mean, how did you? But then guess what? Who is he speaking to, Shika? Who is this person speaking to?
The ignorant and the gullible.
Ignorant and the gullibles. Come on.
Yes.
The people at the bar. The unread people, the people that don't read.
Another thing that we need to look at too. Sorry, Joshua. Another thing that we need to look at too. Somebody's saying that his dad was here on diplomatic missions, right? And
it's not said, it is so.
Right? And because of that, even though they're claiming that he was born here, as Joshua said, that's the case, he does not have a Jamaican birth certificate. Because once you
no, he would not have had any.
He would not have a Jamaican birth certificate because of the fact that his father is a diplomat. So, basically, don't have a Jamaican birth certificate.
Listen, me, if he had one, we would have seen it long time. And any birth certificate that comes after that, it's a fraud. If he had one from this conversation started, knowing how pompous this man is, it would have been
That's why
out there.
that's why the people on Twitter is saying show with the little red and white. If you not have the red and white, if you not have the black and white, you're not a Jamaican.
Man. Yeah. You know, this gentleman,
Wonder
and,
where
and,
you
and
have a
I'm
string plant, Joshua. When you have a string plant, that is
listening.
important, you know.
Where his assets are? Where his assets
You,
are?
hey, Joshua. My brother asked me. Sorry to interrupt. My brother asked me to call Cliff the other day because he and Cliff doesn't get along. But I was telling them before you got in the room, he and I are good buddies. So I'll talk to him and he'll entertain me for my time. But my brother said to me, "Sis, what happened over certain place in certain country, and which is a British country, as British subject country, you understand? Is that affiliated with why he does not want to renounce?" I said, "Brother, I am going to," but I couldn't get Cliff that day. Continue with your convo.
Good evening, guys. So, like how
Sorry.
my Jamaican passport will be expiring in next month, not next year, I would be in trouble because I wouldn't be no longer be a Jamaican, right? Because this is a dilemma I'm trying to figure this out because based on Mark Golding's analogy, I will no longer be a Jamaican.
No.
Hey,
Market British,
that
sir. Please call the man by
winner,
his right name. Don't spoil the man's name.
Mark
Market
British.
British.
So,
winner, you know say you can travel all pan your expired passport go come back to Jamaica.
of course, then I'm a country, then can't deny me entrance.
Mm-hmm.
The country will always
But the
be
man get
between,
visa for go home and never see this yet.
even if you
No,
don't have a
he,
even if
when
you don't have a passport, you can travel back to your home and you have a birth certificate in hand, you can go back home.
anything,
They must make
like
arrangements. The consulate must make
So
arrangements for you
how
to
do they
return.
give a British citizen a visa? Because it will ask you on the form if you're a citizen. What are the countries you are a citizen of?
You
What
want
Read
to
my
are
know
the right?
lips.
What
which
Read
is
my
link?
the
lips.
Which link you have?
LIE. Read my lips.
amen.
Yep. That's it. You know, that is why they don't like the two ladies, you know, that are so vehemently opposed to him leading the party. And I think that God gave us that blessing by allowing them to fall out, to expose this man, because I must confess that in the early years I used to admire him because he seemed so sheepish and at that time. So sheepish and kind of reserved until I realized that this man is a dictator, you know, if he gets the opportunity, that is, you know.
Didn't speak patois at one time.
a
Of
practice?
course, Cliff
You
used to
know.
mock him.
Oh, okay, all right, okay, okay. I go cute and mute.
Cliff used to mock him and tell him, say, boy, he's trying to talk it and, you know, him don't sound that way. Since him start campaign, him start try talk patois, you know. It sound
But
like someone
remember
who's not trying to talk
during
patois. Not
he
true,
came
winner.
back to England because he was losing his English mannerism. Remember, Remember say it's a proper English brother that
Of course. And I heard them lying. His people lying about him mother born here and father born here. His mother was not born here. His father was not born here. None of the two of them. So I don't know who them trying to fool. And next I'm going to make sure that I look for the document and bring it up. That next time when them have the conversation, I just read directly from the document.
You debunk the myth. You
Right.
debunk the
But
myth.
if you have one new trend now when start for the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister got market, Mark Golding got market. The Prime Minister go live up the Bikini, Mark Golding start live up the Bikini.
No
The
man,
Prime Minister,
it's about 2 years now because when the Prime Minister laid some blocks with Martha, he laid blocks without Martha.
When the Prime Minister cut ribbon, when the Prime Minister build a house and cut a ribbon with a whole of balloon, what you call it, black, green, and gold. You know, see, my gold in put on one door pan one somebody house and go they put a ribbon across and cut it up.
But then did they but we laugh, that is strength.
Funny
Well,
boy.
it is alleged that he is autistic, you know, so probably it's that consciousness that boy I have fallen short mentally.
I'm
Right?
not gonna attack his if he's alleged if it's true.
No, I'm not attacking it. Notice I said it is alleged.
I'm
Right?
not even going
He has nothing to do. He can't help himself. If you were born a particular way, that's how you were born.
You know, me
Right?
want Joshua, me want to one race between him and the Prime Minister.
You want a race?
The Prime Minister will break.
Listen, me, you want the man about to talk?
We never remember one. The Prime Minister went and played cricket and Mark Golding go play cricket. We never remember one day.
He was playing domino too.
Well, he's an Englishman, you know. Him good all beat the Prime Minister at cricket because he's an Englishman.
Well,
You know?
well,
Sir Joshua, you do the thing, Sir Joshua, you do the man, sir. You do the man, sir, man.
Good evening, everybody.
You do the man, Billy, man.
But it's true.
You do the man, Billy, man.
All he needs is a cup of tea. Yes, sir.
Good evening, good evening. Where the citizens murder England all the while that 8 day, you know, man. You know that.
So that's
the
what
English
I'm
one
saying.
get beat. West Indies
So-
just kill them.
So if him beat the Prime Minister in a cricket, he's just continuing with what has been happening for the longest while, the English beating the Jamaicans, the Caribbean.
Yeah, but what may I say with the cricket, West Indies used to kill West England in a
Yeah,
cricket
man,
too.
but we're at the lowest state now. So that is why England beat us. So the Prime Minister just be following. You know, that cricket-wise, we're at our lowest state.
But anyway,
Yeah.
no Mark Golding now. You see now one interview with a three different passports he mentioned, you know, man.
In one interview.
yeah, man, he had
Yes.
three passports.
You know, the diplomatic one, the Jamaica one, and the British one.
Yeah, three passports.
Passport the man have, you know.
But hold on, guys. I don't want to beat him too much. The same link when he was get the visa in a British passport. But I want to get him, he can get citizenship. So I don't want to check him to see how we can use that.
Get it. Hey, young fella.
You look for your friend Mark in British and use the same link.
The same link. Because if he can get visa
Okay,
in a British passport,
you give it yourself by make everybody know
Get it,
that
man.
we want the number to
If
give
you
him.
never want nobody know for you there, make everybody know for you there now, winner.
Colonel Charles Jr.
If you never want nobody know for you there, abroad, there, make everybody know for you there now.
Oh, no, man.
Winner, with them two fingers the way you have up there, see? You're not going to make you get it in, so that's
What?
the thing.
No, man. Never use one. Never use one.
No, man, you wear your big orange shirt at the other, man.
Exactly.
With an orange
Winner, you're too popular for this, man. So you're not going to give because it's full of
No,
market.
man. No, you don't know the trick. The man just take some pill for about 2 weeks. The pill them will lighten your skin.
Hey, Joshua, you know easy, you know. You don't play no man. You know easy, brother.
Oh, boy.
You can change up your complexion.
Yes.
Laura,
Yeah.
that
So we get it.
prior-
And then hold on, now shave his head and say, I'm a skinner. I can't stand those niggers. You know?
So after that, get in going back black.
What you say, my friend? Boy.
I didn't get a call. Oh, where's it going again? I didn't hear the statement.
You want
Oh.
to say crooked river?
Hold on. See, it says this live creator has been this live has been flagged by the live creator. Nothing more than somebody just report you in the chat.
You not see that. Try come out. Come out. Oh, them a report you, Joshua.
Oh,
Joshua,
then I report
send
Joshua.
back send back your request, Joshua. They are reporting you.
No,
Why
I
did
see.
they? What have you said? He hasn't done anything.
No, but you see, if they report him and they find out and TikTok
Yes,
find
sir.
out that that
They
the
just
report
asked me
is
to remove
false.
him from the box.
Oh,
If they find out that the report is false, then they're gonna prosecute the person who reported Joshua. So they can't and they report false information.
oh, people are so disgusting. What's wrong with them?
They don't
I
like
don't know
it
what them thing, them, man.
This
I don't
very
know
fun.
what it is. You know what
when
I'm
it
saying?
hurt.
He
When it
can
hurt,
come
it
back,
hurt.
He can send a request and come back.
Where is Joshua? Joshua, send a request.
You know, come back
Unless
it.
Guys, Joshua use a word a while ago. That's why.
Oh,
Oh,
Joshua
the
used the
N,
N
the
word.
N, the N,
oh
the
crap.
N, the
yeah.
N, the N.
Oh
Okay,
man.
gotcha.
Jaja.
I hope his speech hasn't been barred.
But we
I
calling
step.
ourselves that particular word not supposed to be an issue. Why should it be an issue?
No, it's
I think it's just a
Mercy.
derogatory.
general thing.
If I am a black man and I'm calling myself that, how does that
Yeah, but
become
it's
derogatory?
it's a derogatory word. Period. So whether you're black or white,
Yeah.
but what are we them
I'm gonna
have
step
them
out, my Joshua step in still.
I,
what are we
No,
them
you know, saying
them
back
have them
here,
at them
in probably have send me a send me a message to see if what is happening to his page.
yeah.
Can't give my box still. If you want to come back.
Now come out and give my own one. I come back.
You know, guys, all we have to do now, we just need to just keep on spreading the word for the party.
The
Like
pressure,
glad
the
from
pressure is on
long
for
time
them
me I
right
said
now.
this.
You know what I
Yeah, from
love the
long
fact
time me I
that
said this.
yeah, go ahead.
Them need for when the beggy boy they were over him life a beg and a scandalize people and about students. Me have something to tell you now. When you tap up the live, no send me one send me when me ask one night, lion, me never get a lion. And you see because some of the people just love tear down people. They sit down and they were entertained by him. But I want him to know I present the 150 garbage truck where him say this a person you have. Present all of the things then because him can't just be selectively MAD when he want to be, you know. Him can't just be selectively MAD when he want to be. Mr. Then me him next. Him a one of the first blogger, whatever I want to be when I want to see the government put before the court. Yeah, me very happy. It's a refreshing feeling, man, to feel. But anyways, what a way, Judge RM Judge left from Montego Bay reach a town. Wanna hear me?
Yeah, we're here, we're here.
Loud and clear.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
what a way a wedding, and them a come and talk about gag with Prime Minister, gag people and this and that. What a way RM from Montego Bay. It is alleged that RM from Montego Bay come a town, come preside over case. Anything can go so. I mean, I have no reason to think that the ladies them a tell lie. They could have just make that up, so they couldn't just dry that out of the hat just like that. But we shall see. Mm-hmm. Anyways, we're not going with otherwise.
I saw a post earlier where um the person that was selected for TAJ is actually a former PMP candidate. I couldn't believe when I see it.
Selected for what?
The TAJ, president of Jamaica Citizens Association.
PA.
Hmm?
Anything is
TA, sorry, TA.
It's JTA, not TAJ.
JTA, the guy from
Lord God of
Portland.
course.
uh-huh. We not having in words they mix up in letters and words mix up today.
Mix up.
Look
Mm.
look here. Let me tell you no something, man. Me say you see this morning. When I hear the minister of health, me say them after the minister of health, then after the minister of health, so till it look bad every day. Hey, then a stone flaxy mango, they only stone ripe mango. Not like the Fluxy one we post up over TikTok and night time. I look live and top up. Not that one there.
Like
Because
how tough
you
time give the report that they do.
Yeah, man, in Bundy
man.
flesh, man.
But me
Yeah,
know say
man.
if I one person when them come
Shut
out
her
and
up.
call him name, him I go answer enough. Me know if I one person then
Him,
call him name, them I answer. Me know say a
him
toughie.
know if
Me
insult them
know that.
decent, man.
Me
You
know that
know what?
him basically asked them this morning like some people, some people for eat and some not for eat. Basically, labor right now for get no work. Like anything, what can go so? Eh? What can go so? This man having
that petal. What can go so?
yeah, what can go so? This man having funeral home when father did own before and down to him. And the man go through the right procurement process, not involved. Damn, that's a tough time. And them a drag the money. She mix
Petal.
little bit of blood, mix little
But
bit of
but guys,
Petal. Hold on now.
but for years,
No,
who had that
no,
contract? A known farmer MP for the People's National Party had that contract. So what's the big deal?
I
no,
got them
no,
alone.
no, no, guys. No, uno gone too far. One to the man when him Jack Den or something like that. We get the contract for clean everywhere. The PNP
Allegedly.
counselor, who is
Allegedly.
also
Allegedly.
it's on the front.
Allegedly.
It's on a newspaper.
Okay, okay, okay.
So he's recruiting Cubans to fill the gap for work. It
Yeah,
is
man.
on the it is on the page.
So what about
Read
all of
it.
those persons who were
Sweatshop.
employed at Alpart and Alpart Closum? Those persons are not skilled enough to work with him?
But you know, hear Dr. Tufton ask George today, say, if George no say, the person who have the contract for the portering service them is the candidate for the is a current councillor and the MP aspirant for in a Peter Phillips seat. You know, you ask George this morning. That's okay. Or then I run with that. No, but George was doing that. George Davis was doing him work. George was an investigator, was doing investigative journalism, and him asked the right questions. And Dr. Tufton had the right responses to the questions asked. And I hope those that are always on Facebook and social media are tear down people because they are supporters of the Labour Party. I hope they did clean out their ears this morning. Hope they did clean out the wax and did listen loud and clear. What them have to say about that? Any Labour right come out of disgrace this man I put up in picture and carry on with the excitement?
Oh yes, Nicola, I saw it. US pass a bill that will force that can allow the government to remove misinformation from social media.
Wasn't that from yesterday? I think the seat go around
No,
and
today,
circulate for
today,
yesterday.
today, today,
Okay.
today, 26.
Maybe I should wake up in the early morning and read the
A,
paper.
a lot of countries has passed laws like that to protect protect democracy. So I don't know what this uproar is about when the prime minister says he's gonna go take action, and it could be legal action, right?
No, they say
Just like
he want to take down TikTok. That
yeah,
them latest them and tell
no,
the people them.
they have been slandering his name, slandering his wife name. If you go by the koi pond, right? The koi pond, you will realize that there is a lot of defamatory statements and videos posted up. I don't know how you get lawsuit on them skin, you know.
You see all the little nasty boy. You see that boy there? You see that boy there will cock up in a suit in a one room when do everything at night time. Where I talk about say Mrs. H have 150 garbage truck. We never know if we have 100 garbage truck on the island, much less one person for 150. Me say if you have them, if you can haul them out when you get the lawsuit,
And
I
receipt,
must say
man, and receipt.
when he take him, because anytime he gets sued, anytime he gets sued, him
But
a
he
go,
got
him a go, him head
no,
a
he
go
got
take
sued.
him.
He got sued already, you know.
By
Wait, by Ryan,
Ryan, yeah. But anytime he
yeah.
get the next one, because I go on like he have more secret fear. Last night me hear him a diss up the prime minister. Boy, hey, boy. I say him a go on, Me say anytime he head take him. Me go hoping people them take him and put him in a one private hospital and pay. It's not for them like song and pack up on him live and hear the gossip and the lie and the mix up on night time. Me go hope they have money to pay for in stay at one private facility every single day because him no business for going to hospital where he get up and cuss KPH, he get up and he cuss Dr. Tufton every day. So him no business to go and no public hospital because guess what? Those places are very bad. Them in a deplorable condition as per him and this and that and the minister do this and so him nothing go a UC. He never got Ward 21. Me here one time he talk about the food of a Ward 21. Oh, it tastes good. Cause all in think with an ear and in gut. Yeah? Me go hope he
Patel,
no got Ward 21
Pat,
and he no got Bellevue.
Patel,
I'm sorry.
question for you, love. They start giving Milo when you carry one in? Cause a couple of people could get some Milo from Bellevue for him, right?
Me no want nobody not drink that Milo them this year. I don't know. Then stop. No, in people, they must pay for private facility fee, man, at daytime, day and night, and pay for him meals, everything. In no business, is set, no foot, go War 21, now go, Bellevue. This when the guy did take away in PH, I remember when he had to take him and in the palm, so, and he did have to go War 21. I don't know, send the guy War 21 now last year, right? Me go hope he not put back in
Yeah, I
jail.
heard.
But as you look at that guy, you know he has mental health issues,
Not
and
not do him. Not do him.
he's not
Not do
right.
him because
Patel,
when you
he's not right.
look on the wall for people them downtown. Some of them homeless, some of them have mental health issues. Unless them a mix up people and a scandal people and a behave so like him. No.
No,
Him
he has an
believe
axe to grind, sis. He has an axe to
him
grind, and that's a
him have
problem
a
with him.
him have a severe personality disorder there. And that him
Listen,
there.
that's what I try to
And
say
he
to you.
need to
He
go
has
right. Yeah.
listen.
But that
Needs
is
to be
not
on
even a
his
cute mental
medications.
health issue.
Yeah,
No. No
chronic,
medication not
not
there for
acute,
personality.
not acute.
No, baby. No medication not there for personality disorder. Him have a bad mind and him have a severe personality disorder. And him a go on like saying the one Mrs. H and Andrew come live down in a shoemaker gully with him or stay down in a gutter with him. That's why he get up and tear bad mind the people them and tear them down every day.
every
And that do
day,
him bad
every
mind.
day. So
But from him this start
disgusting.
call up her name, me say, why? Why the first lady get up, make this boy get up and I call upon him so much and she don't write to him. And I saw when SSL and take Ryan picture and I say it's like me I say why Ryan did that even allow this boy for calling him in such a bad mix up him mess up him, in future and career, any potential job opportunities. And me tell you say Ryan deal with him case. You see, whenever you call Ryan name after that, whenever you call in there call the word Ryan, much as Ryan. Not even. And every night he still a go on. The only reason why I keep on a call up Mrs. H and the PM name so because them just not ignore him because waste matter something he does not even pay it mind. But him thinks because him thinks because what some of the people them are saying now is that if I never chew him attack, then would that do something? But at the time I chew them know say if you turn this boy upside down, not even a 1 cent to that drop out from him. You understand? And that's the only reason why they not waste their time. They not waste the time. But you see now, since he's so hype, if I even page we are gonna take away. If I even earnings from the page, then we have to go get. Yeah man, I dying for them deal with him. And I dying for them deal with the rotten girl. Them two them more than anybody
And
else.
the
The rest,
Reedy, the Canadian
him
Reedy,
never,
the Reedy.
what you call him this
Hold
year,
on there, hold
Mr.
on,
Buzzer
hold on.
Malak, intellectual,
Hold
eh?
on, hold on. We want a name and an address for him. Him
No,
talk
no,
like him big and bad, but him
he
need to
live
tell me
Which,
right
him
back at,
name,
JC.
address.
Oh, no, I live. Oh, no, I live.
You can get the name and address. We
Right,
need it.
anytime. Right back at
We
JC,
need
that's where I live.
petal,
In our
petal.
one room.
Inbox
Yeah,
me, inbox
yeah,
me. Okay.
yeah.
Who for name you want?
We want,
Andre Stevens.
eh?
Andre Stevens. Right back
No,
at
not
JC, that's
Andre
where I live.
Stevens attack. We can
Who?
go for McGregor Gully go get him.
And I'm a shoemaker golem. No money, each up
ladies, you killing
in
me.
a one room. Each up in a one room
What
back at
about
JC.
the one where the refugee of Canada?
Oh, the
All right.
Reedy.
Yes.
And there's a big and bold. Why run that
Yeah.
now? Me I forgot. Me have to think about the exact name of the street on this. And here, River. I went here, River. Me soon tell you now. It soon come to me. Oh no, right back at JC. When you no see him sometime, oh no, we see him down a thing there. Him have a way when like a shopper's fair. Him like walk up and down and make nice, you know. Right at shopper's fair right there. So when you pass the embassy and I go up. Anybody know town and know where Happy Ice in there? Right at the shoppers fair across the road from where Happy Ice is there. And right there, so he go there so and he like go down a sovereign there so. And any day you last you find him out a road. Right back at JC in live. Right back at JC in live. In a one room where he rent
But
round there.
in easy to find. Is easy
Okay.
to find. Him know the one we are go well,
Oh, me no know the one. Me no know that one
we
there.
need the
But
refugee in Canada information.
all that no
But
hard to
if him
find
so big
neither.
and bold and I go make videos and
And
use people
hard to find
personal
because
information and dox them,
you just
why
Google
doesn't he
him.
give up his information?
One name, one
Just
name.
put
Just
him
tell
name
me
from
name.
Google. Just put him
Anybody know
face
the
on
right
picture.
name?
Just put him picture on Google and you find him. Let me see if me can find him.
Yeah, we could try
There's a
that
thing
as well.
called find true people search, but I don't know if he
So
has
two
his
people
right
search
name
find a
there.
person.
Yeah,
Yeah,
true
but
You
people
could
you
search
have
do
to
find a
that.
one
You
name.
know,
person.
I used to
You have to
run
know his
searches on
name.
people like that in
Yeah, yeah,
America.
yeah,
I
yeah,
used
what?
to
Yeah,
do
Yeah,
it.
police?
true people
Yeah,
search will
police.
give you
Yeah, I
give
use true people.
yeah, true people search will
Obviously.
give you quite a bit of
Yes, it will.
information for that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it will. Yeah.
No, so there's a big and bold. Because if there's a big and bold, then to come and say, hi, my name is Petal Smith and I live at XYZ and I am this and that. Because if me big enough, if any